Hi, it is me, Hugo Napoleon Batalanos, that's my name. I'm from Argentina. I'm what you can say a contactee. But the understanding about what is a contactee, it's so open in their own understanding in its own understanding about what is to be a contactee. But in my terms or in my understanding of what is being a contactee, I can explain that there are two ways specific, so basic in the contact with intelligence of outer worlds, intelligence coming from other forms of life's culture, and so the understanding of what is a contactee, I can divide it in two parts. One, about what is a binary contactee, and about what is a quantic contactee. A binary contactee is one person who is able to contact from his mind or different procedures he or she learned to do to be in contact with outer intelligence or unknown intelligence, which is registered in his or her own mind as projections of their own mind precisely. We call it mentalisms of their own connection with their own mind. This means that in this own mind of this person, there exists different ways of situations of the projections of his or her own mind in contact with the superior being of himself, contacting with another beings of this own superior being of himself. This is a binary projection of a binary contact, in which what you obtain of this is contacting with the same concept you know, with all that is known but your own mind, evenly contacting with its unknown with your own mind. This is binary contact. But the quantic contact is another thing. Is contacting with another kinds of projections, which is the origin of that is unknown by the human mind. In the quantic contact, you are able to connect with another items, with another languages, with another concepts, with another technology, with another's and others. In the quantic contact, you are not able to compare, neither to compare that concept with your own concept if you are an earthly being. The comparison is not possible. At that point exists what we call a translations of the concepts. The translations of the concept are that possibility to be connected with that translation. I can say that that kind of translation to the binary concepts are made from another cultures. For that, I can design, I can tell about myself and compare myself, and to say that I am a quantic contactee. I can say that I was a binary contacted at the same time of my life on my studies, on my connections with beings. In the quantic contact, you are not able to distinguish the realities. You are the realities. You are the fantasies. I can say that what I am saying now are the different parts to distinguish from one binary contactee and to a quantic contactee. And into this situation, it's important to you to locate in what part of the contact you are. But if your contact are telling you in your mind only concept now by you related with good or bad things, what is binary, and what is binary is now all the concept that which is cold and which is warm, which is cold and which is hot, different what is tall and what is small, contrary parts. That is the normal daily life of human beings. I can say now concepts. In the quantic contact, this is not so. This is not so. It's in another way. You are connecting with unknown situations. Evenly, if you can compare, evenly if you can adjust or locate one situation which is bringing to you from another civilizations to your mind, and you try to mend or to arrange that situation to be understandable in earth by the common people, it is possible, but it's not adequate, or it's not the best you can do to understand the extraterrestrial contact, for example. You need to adjust your own mind, and more than open your own mind. It is necessary in the quantic contact to enter to another concepts of realities. If not so, you are only connecting with your own mind, and you are not able to transcend. Because transcend is another way of the point to be transcended. You can transcend only, as the own word is saying, transcend, to pass, to elevate, or to be another vibration. For that, in the photos, films, and all the material I am showing to you, and that I was showing to the people from 20 years ago, or from 20 years ago, in which I am in contact with another civilization. It's not a normal material you can explain with normal concept or binary concept or earthly concepts to be understood. It's not possible. For that, my explanation is the proper to guide you or to put you in another kind of connections with outer worlds or extraterrestrial worlds or another intelligence. Other kind of explanation are not solved precisely according, and I must put in clear this, according to my own codes, according to my own experience, in my own contact. But I'm not denying that another kind of explanation of my own material could be or will be possible. Could be and will be possible. And I accept the extension of that, even the denying of my own contact, of my own photos, of films. But I'm telling to you that if you are trying to compare my material with the noun, and for that you are judging it as false or true, I can say before all of that, before your own judgment about my person or my stuff, or before you are judging my own material, then don't lose your own time. I'm saying now from the beginning that my material is false and my material is true, and my material is beyond all of that, and my material is before all of that. Is another question. It's not what you know. For that, my own contact, I can explain it from starting from the point we call point zero. Is the only way to get that kind of knowledge to you. Thanks for introducing me, and let me to introduce you to this kind of a starting point to know the first point of my own contact.